We're going to talk about staying in compliance with face, but really the most important part of the entire journey of any ads manager is making sure that you stay in compliance. It's going to be a very short video. And then when I say short video, I'm not talking about like the last video I said was going to be short and it ended up being 18 minutes. I'm talking about this video. It's going to be under a minute because I ain't going to read through this entire ads policy, okay? I have the link below. This is Facebook's or Meta's advertising policies, and it is a lot of information, but I suggest that you read through it thoroughly and you take notes, read everything in the policy. They actually shortened this. It used to be a lot longer, but they shortened it. It has every single thing that you can and cannot do with generating your ads. And this is very important for you in your journey to running ads because there's things you can and can't say, can't make claims, you can't call out people based on their race, gender, etc. Right? You can't say men, women. Like there's a lot of stuff that you can't do. So yeah, click the link, read through it, learn it, indoctrinate it, take notes. Facebook policy, always stay in compliance.